welcome. I received a message that I should not plane and trim my soap bars because it's a waste of soap. Let me show you that in my soaps that I make, there is no wasted soap. My core bars are mixed and poured in a mold. The next day they are split into logs and cut. And unless the bars are badly shaped, they are not planed or trimmed. My customers appreciate that they are not trimmed so that they buy a full bar with no waste. Here are some examples from my core line of soaps. Here's a recent video I posted. The beautiful ends are trimmed. As you can see, there's a lot of soap that gets trimmed off. After I'm done trimming, I'll take the leftover and form a soap bar with my hands. The soap is still soft enough to be able to push in and create a new soap bar. This soap was only 4 bars, and I made 2 small oval bars with the trimmings. The extra bars will cure along with the original soap bars. I had so much left over from trimming this beautiful soap that I was able to make 4 bars from it. If I wait too long and the soap is not soft enough to mold, water can be added to be able to form the ball. Are you wondering what I do with these bars? Have you ever heard the old saying, the children of the shoemaker have no shoes? The soaps made for videos in my core line are for my customers. The leftover is what we use. This bar is now being used in my bathroom. Thank you for watching.